Good morning one and all. My name is Priyanshu Singh from ECA section. Today my topic is Colpits Oscillator. A Colpits Oscillator is an electronic oscillator that uses a capacitive voltage divider in a feedback network to generate high frequency in a sinusoidal oscillation. Here we are Z1 is equals to 1 by j omega C1, Z2 is equals to 1 by j omega C2, Z3 is equals to j omega L, and the formula of Colpits oscillator Z1 into Z2 into 1 plus HFE plus Z1 into Z3 plus 1 HIE into Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is equals to 0. Setting the value of Z1, Z2, Z3, 1 by j omega C1 into 1 by j omega C2 into 1 plus HFE plus Z1 value is 1 by j omega C1, Z3 value is j omega L, and plus HIE into 1 by j omega C1 plus 1 by j omega C2 plus j omega L is equals to 0. That implies minus 1 by omega square C1 C2 into 1 plus HFE plus this j omega and j omega cancel, means L by C1 plus HIE into 1 minus j omega by C1 minus j omega by C2 plus j omega L equals to 0. Now consider the imaginary part. Now we have to have imaginary part from this side. So we can take this j into HFE into minus 1 by j omega C1 minus 1 by omega C2 plus omega L equals to 0. Now minus omega C1 minus omega C2, the omega L goes to the right side, minus omega L. Now we have to consider omega C2 plus omega C1 by omega square C1 C2 because of cross multiplication, because that means omega square is equals to C1 plus C2 by C1 into C2 into L. Omega square is equals to C1 plus C2 by C1 into C2 L. Omega square is equals to C1 plus C2. This value we have considered C equivalent into L. Omega square means square goes that side, it's have root. L equivalent